In this video, we are going to discuss about Liber Forex platform, and also we are going to look around the potential in their native token. And in the last, I will reveal some inside story of Liber Forex platform and about LIBFX token. So if you are the holder of LIBFX token, so stay tuned with us because so many inside stories are going to reveal in this video.
Feel uninvited.
A huge bad news for all the users of Liber Forex is in the corner. The entire system have just been hacked, so some Liber systems will be shut down for the maintenance. The exchange is still operating normally. Here you can see the main platform of the Liber Forex, and in my previous videos I told you everything about the Liber Forex platform, but Liber will be back soon with double strength and power and with more security soon. As you all know, Liber platform and LIBFX has a huge potential. Here you can see the main exchange. So simply if you are the holder or if you already have the account, simply you can log in and you can do everything. But some features will be live again in maximum in some days. You will be able to utilize them because devs are working on it and they are going to make it so much secured, so next time it will not be hacked. And as you all know that from the price of only and only $5 right now, LIBFX, that is the native token of Liber Forex, at this time the price of one token is $44 and it will grow up to $1,000. Mark my words, because very soon the team is planning for big partnerships in the future. So it's not like this that the Liber platform is not live. It is live. You can simply use the entire platform, but some features will not work for some next days because at this time the engineers, the devs are working to make it more secured for everyone. And very soon big exchange announcement will come from the Liber platform side. And in last but not the least, team is opening their doors for the Asian, European and Middle East communities, and number of people are working on the Liber and earned passive income. So it's not a big deal regarding hack, it's a part of life. And with the help of all the users and traders, Liber will be back with double strength and with unique features. Till now you can use the Liber platform. It's entirely very easy for everyone. You can simply sign up if you don't have the account on this platform. And at this time I am going to share some good news, and also I am going to reveal some best news about the LIBFX token. Very soon the team is planning. First of all, I will tell you that how you can sign up. First, if you didn't sign up on this platform, simply you can sign up even at this time, simply with your first name, last name, email address, and then you have to click on the register, and then the team is going to send you an email. So simply you can sign up on this platform, and as I told you, still you can utilize this platform. It's not a big deal. Hacking is not a big deal. Very soon it will be live, and also you can join them on the Telegram because the team is going to announce everything in their Telegram group and channel. So simply you can join it, so you will get all the news over there. But now I am going to reveal something very best about this platform. So the team of Liber platform is planning to place the ATM machines all over the world for the customers. So if you have LIBFX tokens, simply you can take the cash directly from the LIBFX machines. And secondly, that is a huge news for every user and especially the holder of LIBFX token. Very soon the team will announce about their partnership with huge sports event holding in 2022, and you will be able to buy the tickets through your LIBFX token. So if you know what I am talking about, do mention this thing in the comment section. And at my own price prediction, the LIBFX token will jump to $600 soon. So if you are the holder of LIBFX, just be easy, you will be at least millionaire. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button.